the Lucky Green 5s. This is the box. Red Jumpman on the top of the box. And then size tag looks like we got a size 12. Got the all leather white uppers. Then we got a black and green midsole. Then icy outsole on the bottom. On the side, the 23 black. On the back, we have an embroidered black Jumpman. Also have another Jumpman on the tongue. It's green. Got the clear lace lock. Of course, we got white laces, the white netting. Yes. I like this shoe. I really don't have anything bad to say about it.
Break it down, like the runs, I eat Rex. Break it down, like the runs, I eat Rex. How you cracking on my denims, bitch, these Calabasas. Mouth gold from the boot, not from Tallahassee. Phone really put up numbers like Orlando, man.
No preschool, no toddler, just women sizes. So of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room, I'm the Maverick.